In this video, we are going to see what is a sinking fund in annuities, especially in mathematical finance. Sinking funds. When the rate, compounding, and time is known, the ordinary annuity formula can be used to find the future value of a series of deposits. And the account that is established for accumulating funds to meet future obligations or debts is called a sinking fund. So if you are trying to accumulate funds to meet future obligations, then it will be treated as a sinking fund. If payments are made in the form of an ordinary annuity, then a sinking fund computation uses the ordinary annuity formula, which we have seen in our previous video. And the formula for the future value is payment times 1 plus I whole raised to n minus 1 divided by I. Let's see an example here. In order to accumulate enough money for a down payment on a house, a couple deposits $300 per month into an account paying 6% compounded monthly. If payments are made at the end of each period, how much money will be in the account in 5 years? So if we know that it is a sinking fund because we are trying to accumulate enough money for future purposes. So if you're using our graphing calculator, entering the value for 5 years monthly, so 12 times 5 is n. The rate of interest I is 6% compounded monthly. The payment every month, you are depositing $300. So on the payment per year or accumulated per year is 12. And if you're calculating the future value, it is $20,931.01. Sun America offered an annuity that pays 6.35% compounded monthly. What equal monthly deposit should be made into this annuity in order to have 200,000 in 15 years? So the N will be paid monthly, so 15 years, 12 times 15. The rate of interest is 6.35. The payment we have to calculate, but the future value is 200,000. Payment per year is 12, accumulated per year is 12. So if we move our cursor to payment and calculate and find the answer, it will be $667.43. You can either use the formula for the future value, which is payment times 1 plus I minus 1 by I. Instead, you can also use your graphing calculator like this. A company estimates that it will need 100,000 in 8 years to replace a computer. So I know that it is a sinking fund. If it establishes the sinking fund by making fixed monthly payment into an account, paying 7.5% compounded monthly, how much should each payment be? So we know the future value, we know the number of years, we know the rate of interest. Entering that in a calculator, n is 12 times 8 because 8 years. Interest I is 7.5 and the future value is 100,000. Payment per year, accumulated per year, both are 12. And we are interested in finding the payment every month to be made. So we have to move our cursor to payment, press enter, calculate to find the answer, to solve. So you get the payment as $763.35. Even in this problem, in order to get the payment, we can make use of the formula for the future value. Future value will be the payment times 1 plus I whole raised to n minus 1 divided by I. That can be used. Or else we can make use of our graphing calculator to get the result. So this video helped us to understand what is the sinking fund in the case of annuity. Whenever we are trying to accumulate things for future purposes, the interest made on that will be treated as a sinking fund. So here in this video, we saw what is a sinking fund, how to calculate the interest, everything. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening.